In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your camera in League of Legends. When you first start playing, the camera is usually locked to your champion. That means the view automatically follows you, which is helpful while you're learning the basics and focusing on your abilities and movement. As you get more comfortable, unlocking the camera gives you a much better view of what's happening around the map, lets you track fights before you walk into them, and helps you position more safely. The good news is that switching between locked and unlocked is quick and simple. First, make sure you're actually inside a game. The easiest and safest place to practice this is the practice tool, because there's no pressure and you can take your time getting used to the change. From the client, hop into a practice tool session or any custom game so you're on the Rift and can see your champion on the screen. Once you're in a game, all you need to do is press the Y key on your keyboard. This is the default toggle for the camera lock. Tap it once, and your camera unlocks. Tap it again if you want to lock it back. If you prefer using your mouse, look at the bottom right of your screen. You'll see a small camera icon in the in-game HUD. Click that icon to switch between locked and unlocked. The icon's appearance changes slightly to reflect the current state, so you can tell at a glance whether the camera is following your champion or not. After unlocking, try moving your mouse toward the edges of the screen to pan the camera. You'll notice your champion is no longer fixed in the center, which lets you scout ahead, check nearby bushes, or watch a fight in another lane before you rotate. Keep your movements deliberate at first. Smooth, small pans make it easier to keep track of your champion while you scan the area. If you find the view suddenly snaps back to your champion, you likely tapped Y again and relocked the camera. Just press Y once more, or click the camera icon to unlock it again. And if nothing happens when you try to toggle, double check that you're in an actual match and not sitting in the client or a lobby, because the toggle only works in-game. That's really all there is to it. Jump into a practice tool session, press Y, or click the camera icon at the bottom right, and you're unlocked. Spend a few minutes getting comfortable, and switch back and forth as needed until it feels natural. With a little practice, you'll gain better map awareness and cleaner positioning in every match.